Okay, I've been getting questions left and right, rightfully so, mind you, that are asking me, Joe, what difference does it make if these courts are saying that Donald Trump can't do these things? He's just going to ignore the court orders, right? So what difference does it make? Who's going to enforce it? To which my first response is generally, good point. I don't really know. Historically, the U.S. Marshals are in charge of enforcing court orders, issuing subpoenas, arresting, that kind of thing. I also say this doesn't happen very often. Hardly ever. The most famous situation of this happening was Abraham Lincoln. So yeah, we don't find ourselves in this situation too often. And when I mention it's the U.S. Marshals' responsibility, usually people say, but Joe, that's the DOJ, headed by the Attorney General who is in the back pocket of Donald Trump. Can't Donald Trump or the Attorney General just say, hey, don't do that to the U.S. Marshals? Let's look at the law. This is from Cornell Law School, okay? 28 U.S. Code Section 566, Powers and Duties, referring to the U.S. Marshals. It is the primary role and mission of the United States Marshal Service to provide for the security and to obey, execute, and enforce all orders of the United States District Courts, the United States Courts of Appeals, the Court of International Trade, and the United States Tax Court as provided by law. That's what the law says. By law, the U.S. Marshal Service gets their marching orders from the courts and the judges, not the Attorney General. Is it possible that the Attorney General or Donald Trump tries to step in and stop the U.S. Marshals from enforcing something? Sure, it's possible. But the law says that the U.S. Marshals do not take their orders from the AG or the president. They defer to the courts and the judges. Just got to wait and see, I guess.